The Hungarian Parliament Building, known as Országház in Hungarian, meaning, House of the Nation, is a magnificent architectural landmark and the seat of the National Assembly of Hungary. Situated on the Pest side of the city along the eastern bank of the Danube River, it stands as a powerful symbol of Hungarian democracy, independence, and national identity. Since its completion in the early 20th century, it has been the largest building in Hungary and one of the most prominent features of Budapest's stunning cityscape. The decision to construct a new, representative parliament building arose following the unification of the cities of Buda, Óbuda, and Pest in 1873, forming the capital city of Budapest. This period was marked by a surge in national pride and a desire to express Hungary's sovereignty and economic power within the Austro-Hungarian Empire. In 1880, an architectural competition was held, and Imre Steindl's neo-Gothic design was ultimately selected. Steindl, inspired by the British Houses of Parliament in London, envisioned a grand structure that would reflect the nation's history and aspirations. Construction began in 1885 and continued for nearly 2 decades, involving approximately 100,000 people. The building officially opened in 1902, although full completion with all its intricate details took until 1904, shortly after Steindl's death. During the construction, an immense amount of materials was utilized, including 40 million bricks, 500,000 precious stones, and 40 kilograms of gold for ornamentation. Notably, local Hungarian craftsmen and materials were prioritized, except for the granite columns of the main staircase, which were sourced from Sweden. The Hungarian Parliament Building is a stunning example of Gothic Revival architecture, characterized by its intricate detailing, pointed arches, numerous turrets, and imposing scale. The facade, stretching an impressive 268 meters in length and 123 meters in width, presents a symmetrical design that is both imposing and graceful. The use of red bricks gives the exterior a warm and distinctive hue. Rising to a height of 96 meters, the central dome is a prominent feature of the Budapest skyline. This height is symbolic, alluding to the year 896, when the Hungarian Magyars are believed to have first settled in the Carpathian Basin. While the overall style is Gothic Revival, the dome itself showcases Renaissance Revival architectural elements, creating a harmonious blend of styles. The interior of the Hungarian Parliament Building is as breathtaking as its exterior, showcasing lavish decoration and intricate craftsmanship. Visitors are greeted by opulent halls, grand staircases, and richly adorned rooms. The red carpet that covers the corridors stretches for nearly 3 kilometers, and approximately 17,745 square meters of carpet adorn the building's 4 floors. The central hall, a hexadecagonal space beneath the dome, is a particularly impressive area. It features sculptures of Hungarian rulers and Habsburg monarchs, highlighting the nation's historical lineage. Stained glass windows, intricate frescoes, and numerous sculptures throughout the building depict significant figures and events in Hungarian history and culture. In conclusion, the Hungarian Parliament Building is more than just a beautiful edifice, it is a powerful symbol of Hungary's history, culture, and democratic values. Its impressive architecture, opulent interiors, and significant role in the nation's political life make it a must-see landmark for anyone visiting Budapest. The building stands as a testament to Hungarian craftsmanship, national pride, and the enduring spirit of the nation.